Basics of computer networks and operating system. Topic 6. LAN testing. What does LAN stand for? Local area network. Which tool is commonly used for LAN cable testing? Cable tester. What is the main purpose of LAN testing? To verify cable integrity. Which of the following tests can cable tester perform? Continuity test. What is the maximum cable length for Cat5e Ethernet cable? 100 meters. What does the term link speed refer to in a LAN environment? Data transfer rate. Which device in a LAN environment is responsible for forwarding data to the correct destination? Switch. Which of the following is used to test network performance and latency in a LAN? Bing test. What is the purpose of the loopback test in LAN testing? To test the integrity of the network interface card NIC. Which type of LAN cable is most commonly used in modern networks? Unshielded twisted pair cable. What does the acronym IP stand for in networking? Internet Protocol. In LAN testing, what does the term attenuation refer to? Signal loss. What is the typical voltage used in Ethernet cables for signaling? 48 volt. Which device would you use to check the signal quality of a LAN connection? Network analyzer. What does a green LED light on a network interface card typically indicate? Link activity. What is the common reason for slow network speeds in a LAN? All of them. Outdated hardware, high network traffic, signal interference. Which of the following is used to test for a split pair in Ethernet cables? Cable tester. What kind of testing does a time domain reflectometer perform? Signal reflection measurement. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for data link testing in a LAN? Data link layer. What is the maximum transmission distance of signal mode fiber optic cable? 50 km. What is the function of a crossover cable in a LAN? To connect devices of the same type. What does PoE stand for in LAN testing? Power over Ethernet. What is the primary purpose of a patch panel in LANs? To manage and organize network cables. Which of the following network topologies is the easiest to troubleshoot? Star topology. Which tool is used to detect network congestion in a LAN? Network analyzer. What is the role of an Ethernet switch in a LAN? Directing data traffic within a local network. What can cause network interference during LAN testing? All of the above. Electrical equipment, poor cable shielding, distance between devices. What type of testing would be done using a bit error rate in a LAN? Data integrity testing. What does BNC stand for in networking? Bayonet nail concealment connector. Which of the following is the best practice when testing LAN cables for connectivity? Test for both wire pairing and signal integrity. What type of cable is used for long distance network connections in LANs? Fiber optic cable. What does the Bing command in a network test verify? Network latency. How can network congestion be minimized in a LAN? Implementing network segmentation. Which of the following tool would you use to check the health of network cables? Cable tester. In a fiber optic connection, what is used to test the power levels? Light meter. Which of the following tests is used to determine the speed of a LAN? Speed test. Which of the following devices helps in analyzing data packets in a LAN? Protocol analyzer. What is the purpose of an Ethernet crossover cable in LAN testing? To connect two computers directly. What is the primary purpose of using TDR, time domain reflectometer, in LAN testing? Detecting cable faults. In which of the following cases would you use a loop back adapter in LAN testing? To test a network card. Which cable type is used for shielding against electromagnetic interference EMI in a LAN? STP, shielded twisted pair. Which of the following protocols is used to test connectivity between devices in a LAN? ICMP. What is a VLAN in a network? Virtual local area network. What does DHCP stand for in networking? Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Which of the following devices is typically used for diagnosing network issues in a LAN? Protocol analyzer. What is the function of a network switch in a LAN testing? It connects devices within a LAN and manages data traffic. Which type of fiber optic cable is used for short range connections in LANs? Multi-mode fiber. What is the purpose of the ARP protocol in a LAN? To resolve IP addresses to MAC addresses. What does the collisions test in LAN testing measure? Data packet conflicts on the network. In which situation would a fiber optic cables be most suitable for LAN testing? All of the above. For short distance high speed connections, for high resistance to electrical interference, for long distance high bandwidth requirements.